I've got this amazing one-owner custom-built home they built for themselves. It's completely renovated. You've got 6 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, 2 rental suites that are great for a mortgage helper, and you're on a large corner lot that's 5,356 square feet. This is it. As you come up from your beautiful spiral staircase, you have this amazing chandelier as your centerpiece. You also have a skylight that brings in so much natural light. You have so much brand new windows in this home. Look at all this natural light that really accentuates the whole home, really brightens up the space. You have a dining room, living room, and you also have a gas fireplace with this mantelpiece that really is the centerpiece of this entire space. This is such a perfect home for you and your family to entertain. And here is your kitchen. You've got this pocket door just in case you're cooking anything fragrant. And this kitchen's been completely renovated. You've got granite countertops, and I love the two-tone cabinetry, the light with the dark, and also the beautiful backsplash that really bring out the kitchen. You have brand new stainless steel appliances. You got a kitchen nook with tons of tile work behind me on the beautiful flooring, and it really opens up into your large back deck. This home is really perfect for you. And here is the TV room. Imagine having your family here for movies, TV, and you have 3 bedrooms upstairs. Upstairs, 2 bathrooms, and downstairs you have 3 bedrooms that you can use as a mortgage helper or keep one for yourself, but it generates over $3,000 a month in rental income for your mortgage helper. Here is the second gas fireplace, also your second fan, and you also have another skylight that brings in so much natural light into your home for you and your family. And upstairs you have 3 bedrooms. You have one over here. You got your full bathroom. And right behind me here is the master bedroom. You have a walk-in closet and a full ensuite. And this bright room really has so many windows that bring in so much natural light. You have another fan, and this home is really great for you to unwind with you and your family. And you've got this large covered deck that you can use all year round. It's perfect for gatherings, barbecues, having people over. You've got a double car garage right behind me, a huge backyard, tons of parking. You're located right on Fraser. There are tons of schools, high schools nearby, plus restaurants. You're 15 minutes from downtown, 15 to Burnaby, and 20 to Richmond. This is so centrally located. And if you want to take a look at this amazing home, feel free to contact me. My name's Denise Mai, and I'm more than happy to set up a viewing with you.